Due to popularity, we have got the 9-inch back for you. I'm very excited to do them. I love doing 9-inch, the Infinity, and I can't wait to show you. Hi everybody, it's Katie here with She's of Hollywood. Look at what I have here, a nice big box with our pleasers. And if we know it's bigger than my head, it's a nice shoe to do, so I'm very excited. These are, as you guys can probably already tell, our Infinity 908s. I've done a fair few 9-inch and 10-inch shoes, and we've actually got a full playlist for you, so go and check it out as well after you watch this video. Now, for those who are new and are not too sure about the Infinities, they do come with a warning label, and I'm going to read the warning label to you. It says, due to extreme height, which it is, 9-inch Infinity and 10-inch beyond, which are the 10-inch pleasers, are strictly meant for show purposes. These heels are intended to be used in a sitting or laying down position. So if you've got a photo shoot or you're sitting down for a costume or whatever it is, that's what they're made to do. They're not for walking or dancing, so just keep that in mind with them. I've already taken off this little label because I did this quite a bit. So we'll just figure that for today. And they have this beautiful packaging. And I'm not too sure if you guys can see, but I'll show you more in the sun. They do have the speckled glitter on the heels. So I don't know if you can see that light. They've got the little speckled glitter, but I'll show you a bit more when we're outside in the sunlight. They've got different colors like green and purple, and depending on what light you're in. And my favorite, grippy bottom. These ones are the clear top, so they do mold really nicely to the shape of your foot if you are looking at getting some. And then the next one is here as well. So they are quite heavy, so we'll take it easy today just in case. But it's a nice sunny day, it's not slippery outside. And I'll just pop them on. And they pop on just like this. And here we are. So they will mold a bit better to your foot. And they clip up just with the little strap just here. Here we go. That's one. And the other one. And does just like this. And then it goes on like this as well. And does up with our little strap. Make sure it's nice and secure. And there we are. I feel super tall. Oh, do I look tall? Because I feel tall. Oh, how comfy are these shoes? Wow. Look at how long that heel is. Wow. How about I take you for one more walk? And then last time I checked, it was a very sunny day outside, so hopefully I get to show you all the little sparkles. I'll show you one more time for a side view just in case. Come and have a look here. They do have all of those pretty colours, and then also that double stitching again with the clear tops, which I really love. It keeps it on your foot nice and easy. And they've also got it on this side as well. all those glitter pieces, and that soft bottom just there. I'll take you for a stroll outside. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and click on the little bell in the corner if you want to be notified. Highly recommend it so you don't miss out. Oh, what a warm day today. Busy out here. I think the police are after me. Can you hear the sirens? Being a bit naughty. Oh, nice and sunny. Come and have a look at these little shoes as well. We'll take you over to the step. Come and have a look. Can you see these sparkles? You see it shining on the ground? Oh. No joking. You guys probably can't tell, but the floor's a little bit anomaly. When you're up this tall, you can tell every little crack and move in the floor. Let's look over this. Nice and sparkly. Oh, it's getting warm out here. I might take you back inside. It's so bright outside, I can't even see in here. Don't forget, we do have our little community page as well on our YouTube. So click on there and you can see all of the behind the scenes videos. You can also see all of the models' Instagrams as well. You can check all of them out. Nice and easily accessible for everybody. Now, I hope you guys got enough view of the sparkles out there. It was nice and bright. I'm going to do another little view of the shoes for you. So they undo just like that. Pop them just down here. This one undoes as well. And then just have one last look here. They're nice and clear. I can see you through the shoe. Hello. They do have these little section bits inside you could probably see as well. So they're not completely hollow, but you can see through them. And they're nice and tall. My favourite 9-inch. So if you guys want to see more, keep an eye out. We do post them quite often. And I can't wait to see you next time.